Welcome back to 50 Car. The 2025 Hummer H4 VIP concept is a fortress of luxury and power, crafted for those who demand dominance on the road and refinement inside. Hummer has blended rugged off-road DNA with elite sophistication, creating a vehicle that turns every journey into an experience. Exterior design. Step by step, the H4 VIP commands attention. Front fascia. Bold LED grille, striking DRLs, and a muscular stance. Side profile, sculpted fenders, massive 24-inch chrome wheels, and retractable side steps. Rear end, dynamic LED taillights, a power tailgate, and a roof spoiler. Iconic Hummer strength with VIP elegance. Large size may limit maneuverability in cities. Interior and dashboard. Seats. Handcrafted leather with massage and climate control functions. Infotainment. 15-inch OLED touchscreen with AI voice commands. Driver display. Fully digital with holographic speedometer. Unmatched comfort, cutting-edge tech. Tech-heavy approach may require adaptation. Performance and driving experience. Engine, twin electric motors producing 800 horsepower. Acceleration, 0 to 100 km/h in 3.8 seconds. Handling, adaptive air suspension, all-wheel steering. Silent yet monstrous power, smooth ride. High weight affects agility. Price and buyers. Estimated at $200,000 plus. For elite adventurers seeking luxury and dominance. Competitors: Range Rover SV, Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon Maybach. Max speed, 260 km/h. Final verdict. The H4 VIP concept reinvents Hummer's legacy, fusing brute force with high-end elegance. Compared to past models, it's more refined, tech-packed, and electrified, a true symbol of power.